Are you tired of your Odoo website living on a default.odoo.com link? In under 4 minutes, you'll learn the 8 clicks to connect your own custom domain and look professional. Starting from your Odoo homepage, we'll open the website app, navigate to Domain Name in Configuration, confirm your site is ready, enter your domain, and finalize with a single confirmation. All right, let's start by navigating to the homepage of your Odoo site. Then go ahead and open the website app from there. Now, click on Configuration at the top bar to access the site settings. Then, select Domain Name from the options that show up. When prompted, click the My Website is Ready button to proceed. Next, choose Use My Own Domain to enter your custom address. Type your desired domain name into the text field that appears. Finally, click I confirm it's done to save your settings, and you're all set. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.